welcome back to a new video. In today's video I have got my flexi hand because I'm going to do a set of Blingline nails today. So normally you will have prepped your nails, you would have added your super bond, and then you would have gone in with a clear base of your clear gel, like Cool One Step gel or the clear fiber gel. I am just going to go straight in with my soft white gel because it's a flexi hand and I'm running out of Cool One Step gel. And I'm really skint this month, so I don't really want to have to buy anything this month. On top of my imaginary clear base, I am going over with the Blingline soft white gel. This isn't super opaque. I don't know why I didn't use like Snow White or something. I just felt like I wanted it to be a kind of soft white, maybe. Is that the right? I don't know really, to be honest. I'm going to apply this to all the nails. This set is not going to be different. It's going to be quite simple, but I feel like it looked really, I really liked how it turned out in the end. And I really wanted to use the new glitters from, do you know what, I'm having trouble thinking what the purple one's called. It's just gone. The purple glitter I'm going to use, it's just gone out of my head. I'll write it at the bottom of the screen anyway when I show you them. So this is the first coat of soft white going on. I'm going to pop these into the lamp to cure for 60 seconds in my Blingline lamp, and then now they're out, I'm just going to go in with another coat. This is just going to get rid of any of those because there were some, it did look a little bit patchy, but that's just because it's a soft white and I didn't put, yeah, I'm waffling a bit. Oh, by the way, I'm going to be re-uploading the giveaway video tomorrow. Oh god, I'm such an idiot. I'll explain what if you're trying to find the giveaway video, I accidentally deleted it. But I'll explain why on Saturday. I have recorded it and I'm going to pop it back up on Saturday. So I'm really sorry. I'm gutted as well because I really enjoyed that live. But anyway, it doesn't matter. I'm going to put it up again on Saturday. So you will need to make sure that you have commented on it again on Saturday when I upload it. I am the biggest prat in the whole wide world. Oh, I can't believe it. I'll explain on Saturday anyway. So this is the second coat of the white gel I'm putting on. I'm not making it too thick because I am going to go over with some clear, so we'll make sure that we've got our structure with our clear. I just thought I'd put this on because oh, look, a hair. Do you want a hair in your, oh look, another hair. God, they just come out of nowhere, don't they? And then all of a sudden you're like, why have I got 50 hairs in this nail? Again, look, I'm faffing a bit here. There we go. Right, that white gel is going to go away now. These are going to go in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. I feel like that took forever. There we go. Into the lamp they go. And now I've got my Cool One Step gel. So I'm going to put a thin layer of this onto the ring finger because that's the finger that I want to put the glitters on. The glitters are absolutely beautiful. They're from Nail Sugar. And I do have a discount code actually for Nail Sugar. It's NatMug10. If you want to purchase any of these glitters, use code NatMug10 and you'll save 10%. And they're so nice. In the light, look, ready? In the light, they go with pastel-y. So this pink one is called I'm Blushing. Can you see the pastel colour? Hang on, I didn't do a very good job there. This one's called Mint to Be. Look at the pastel colours when the light hits it. And then we've got Blew Me Away. I love them so much. The yellow one is called, I can't remember the name of this one, but the yellow one is called Chickadee. This one is so nice. That's going to be so nice for Easter. How gorgeous is that? Right, so I've put that thin layer of gel onto this nail, and then I've just daubed dabbed the end of my Crystal Pro into that uncured gel, and then I'm going to use the end of the Crystal Pro to pick up some bits of glitter. Now I want to do the whole nail covered in the glitter, but I'm going to put, it's going to be like a bit of a rainbow, so I'm going to go in with the purple now, and I'm going to make sure I kind of do equal sections of the nail so that I get, although the nails at the top, there will be like, because the nail's narrower at the free edge, there's not going to be as much pink as what there is the other colours. But it looks really nice once it's done. It is a little bit faffy, I'm not going to lie. Putting glitter on gel nails is for me, it's quite time consuming. If you do it this way, I mean, anyway. And I know I've seen some people mix their glitter in with clear gel, but I couldn't be bothered to do that. And also, if I did that, I'd probably waste a lot of the clear gel, and I don't have anything that I can put, if I don't use it all, I don't have any pots or anything that I could put the unused gel in afterwards, if you know what I mean. So I just do it this way. I think I'm quite lazy at the minute, and that's why, because I've been doing loads of gel polish sets, but I think I'm just too lazy at the minute to do any sets where I have to file or faff or, you know, too much. Do you know what I mean? I'm just being lazy. So yesterday I was like, right, pull your finger out, get yourself a Blingline set done, because actually when I do Blingline sets, I really like them. I like how they end up. I really like Blingline is really nice to use, though I've never used any other hard gels properly, but I really enjoy this one, and I'm always pleased with the outcome, so that's good. That's always good. Oh, by the way, you can get 10% off Blingline as well using my code NatMug10 from Blingline UK. They don't ship, they only ship to the UK, but there is a US distributor, but as far as I'm aware, they only sell the trial kit, which is a bit unfortunate. But if you contact Blingline UK, they will point you in the direction of the US distributor, or anywhere else in the world. If you're not from the US, they'll point you in the right direction. There we go. Right, I'm nearly there. Aren't they gorgeous? Look. Oh, I love these so much. I'm just going to get a little bit closer to the cuticle area because I don't want that white bit left over. So for this bit, I can use the smaller bits of glitter just to sort of cover that bit up. There we go. I'm going to leave it like that. Well, I'm not. I'm going to encapsulate it, but I'm going to leave it like that, as in I'm not going to put any more glitter on. There we go. That's going to go into the lamp to cure. So that's going to set that all in place. Okay, so now we can cap the nail. Well, we're not really capping these. We are. We're gonna. Well, I suppose we are really, aren't we? But we are gonna use the clear Cool One Step gel to create our structure. So, yeah, because you want a bit of structure. Well, you want more than a bit. You want a proper structure. Oh my god, I'm waffling away. I'm just gonna move the. I like Billy. Don't bark. He's gonna bark at the window, and it's gonna go. I'm gonna just show you me doing this one. So I go in with a thin layer of Cool One Step gel, then I pick up a bigger bead, and I'm going to use this to make sure that I've got an apex, and just to make sure that all the nail is covered. I did actually put too much white on this one at the bottom, so when I came to file the nail, I did file away a little bit of the glitter on the side of the nail, which was a bit of a boo-boo, but I didn't notice too much. So when it comes out of the lamp, I've done the other two nails as well, by the way. I'm just going to wipe off the sticky layer, the tacky layer, with my Blingline cleanser. And then once I've got all the sticky layer off, I'm going to then go ahead and file the nails. And then I'll just wipe them again, just to get rid of all the dust. And then this is the exciting bit. I say exciting, it is a little bit, but it's not really, because the white nails are going to be matte, which is a bit boring. So we're using the matte top coat for this bit. I want the white nails matte because I'm going to put some crystals on one of the nails. On the index finger, I think. There we go. She's nearly there. I popped in the lamp because I think I had a hair. And then this is going to be shiny because these deserve to be shiny because they are absolutely gorgeous. Definitely, these are going to be a hit for Easter. Could you imagine an Easter egg nail with these on? But look at them. Look at when they hit the line. Oh, I just love it so much. They're so gorgeous. Right, so this is where we're at so far. I've got some crystals out. I did get out these are the sherbet mix crystals from Crystal Parade, but these are the statement mix. They're called statement mix because they are like statement stones. They're quite big. I didn't actually end up using those ones. This is also a sherbet mix, but these are smaller stones, and you get like I think you get 2 or 3 different sizes in this one. I do use those. These sherbet mix ones are kind of like pastel-y coloured stones. They're really nice. And then I've got some AB Preciosa stones. Yeah. Okay, so this is now, I'm going to put, I don't really know. Actually, I watched, Spit It Out Love. Now Camille have just released their own crystals. And Tony Lambert had some nail designs that she'd already done, and a couple of them had like stone clusters, and I really like those, and I thought, right, we'll try and do a bit of a crystal cluster on this nail. So I'm using 4 of the same size crystals from the sherbet collection with the smaller stones, and because I'm happy with how that looks, I'm just going to flash cure that in the lamp. And then I'm going to use the detailer brush that I've got, and I'm just going to put a little bit of gem glue. Oh, by the way, I'm using the Crystal Totalist gem glue, as I always do. I'm going to put that between the stones, and then I'm going to get a really tiny SS3 Preciosa AB crystal. I really like these tiny ones. I love them. I don't ever want to be without these, because they're just like one of those they're just like a perfect tiny size. They're teeny tiny. So they're going to go between each one of the coloured stones. And then right next to that centre stone, between the centre stone and the little tiny ABs, I'm going to get these. These are little silver caviar beads. You can get caviar beads in all different colours from the Crystal Parade. I do have a discount code NAT5. I don't know if I've just said. So if you want to save 5%, there you go. I've got your back. Right, I'm going to pop that in the lamp now to flash cure again, because we've not finished. Along the cuticle area here, I'm using the brush again, because I can put a nice thin layer of gem glue across that with the brush. And then I'm going to do a row of the little tiny SS3s again. You can use SS5s if you want, or you can even use SS7s. You can even use bigger stones, but I wanted to keep this area here. I wanted to keep these to the smaller stones. And then I'm going to go around the other side, and I'm going to make sure that the stones finish at roughly the same place, because you don't want one side to come down slightly lower than the other, if you know what I mean. Okay, and then I'm going to put some stones from the top of the cuticle bit to, that's so technical, very technical terms there, the cuticle bit. And I'm going to put some coloured stones, excuse me, going up to the AB stones. There we go. And then in between those, I'm going to put some caviar beads. So I'm using the brush again to place the gem glue on, because I find I can be more precise with this. And I'm going to pop some down the bottom there as well. Make sure you don't cover the crystals with any of the gem glue. If you get gem glue on the crystals, they tend to lose their sparkle. It's like you shouldn't top coat over them either. Otherwise, they really, really lose their. It just dulls them a lot actually. I'm going to put 2 more up the top there. I was trying to keep the crystals in, because I know last time I done a set, and I don't know what happened, but I thought I'd recorded me putting the crystals on, and I'd obviously not pressed record, and it really bothered me. So I've made sure that I got this in this time. Right, I'm going to give that a quick flash cure, because we are going to add some more beads. So I'm going around the outside of that of the whole of the cluster with the gem glue and the brush, with the brush and the gem glue. And we're just gonna go around the whole thing with some caviar beads. You don't have to. You could just leave it like this. Excuse me. I kind of actually like it like that. I don't know what prompted me to put the caviar beads on. Okay, there we go. I'm going to leave it like that, and I'm going to pop it into the lamp to cure, and this is the finished set. I really liked how these turned out. I mean, they're not like, there's nothing too difficult about them, but I think the colours and the crystals look really nice, in my opinion. Anyway, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please leave me a like. If you haven't already, do consider subscribing. Links to everything and discount codes will be in the description box below. Have an amazing weekend, and I'll see you beautiful lot tomorrow with the giveaway video, take 2.